I used to like to get my little 35mm viewfinder and lie belly down on that model, trying to find all my angles and get all my shots.
Hello and welcome to Rain on My Crusade. Chapter 5, Borrowing from Doctor Who. Doctor Who is a British science fiction television program which has been airing since 1963. Last Crusade borrowed a few Doctor Who guest actors. Julian Glover, who plays Donovan in Last Crusade, guest starred in Doctor Who as King Richard in 1965 and as Count Scarlioni in 1979. Michael Sheard, who appears as Hitler, guest starred as Laurence Scarman in 1975's Doctor Who story The Pyramids of Mars. In addition to borrowing actors, Last Crusade also borrowed some immortality plot points and lines from the 1984 Doctor Who story The Five Doctors.
The secret of immortality, Doctor. Where it lies in the dark tower, in the tomb of Rassilon itself.
Our project leader believes that tomb to be located within the city of Venice, Italy.
Oh, very interesting, I'm sure, doctors, but what does it say?
This is the tomb of Rassilon, where Rassilon lies in eternal sleep.
We'll have a spring inside him welling up for eternal life.
There are many dangers, many traps.
3 devices of such lethal cunning.
Booby traps?
Oh, yes.
He said easy as pie, the Greek letter pi.
But in the Latin alphabet, Jehovah begins with an I.
J.
You stay there, child.
You seek immortality?
I do.
Be sure. Be very sure.
But choose wisely, for as the true Grail will bring you life, the false Grail will take it from you.
Take the ring. Then put on the ring. Others have come to claim immortality through the ages.
What is happening to me?
Oh.
You have chosen wisely, Doctor.
You have chosen wisely.
I'm so sorry, I suddenly realized what the old proverb meant.
I suddenly remembered my Charlemagne.
He knew very well that immortality was a curse, not a blessing.
Elsa never really believed in the Grail. She thought she'd found a prize.
Thanks for watching. Bye.